Yo, Mr. Penastar here. We test driving 2007 Dodge Charger RT. Oh, this is so weird. Driving an older HEMI. Let's see what we got. Driving this 97,000 miles. The seats feel good. Got a little pickup. Let's close these windows. Don't know if I can see myself riding this. Maybe it's just a humble thing I gotta do. But it feels different. Feel that HEMI. This thing has a weird ticking noise. I don't know what this ticking noise is coming from. I don't like it though. But with old cars, it's just, you know, weird sounds. You hear it all the time. It's like the turn signal's on or something, but I don't know. Even accelerating, I'm not really that impressed with it. My car, when it was modified completely, is definitely faster than this car, easily, I can tell. My V6 modded 3.6 would eat this V8 HEMI. This one has 340 horsepower. This is what my car would be compared to. It smells like there used to be a smoker in here, so I don't like that smell. They didn't really detail this car that good. They did, but you can tell it's been a while since it's been sitting. But it, you know, it moves a little bit. The torque is what the difference is, but I think top speed, top end, my V6 would get this car. Okay, got a little acceleration there. These brakes are kind of jacked up. Making like a weird sound. I don't know what that sound is. Some like grinding sound. Alright, let me show you guys some outside video of this car. Alright, there it is. 2006 Charger RT 5.7 liter HEMI, 340 horsepower. Torque feels good, won't lie, but like I said, I feel like my V6 would take this car. It's stock, so got a little rust on there. Slotted drilled brakes. Got some more rust over here. This car is listed just under 7 grand. Yeah, it's quiet. I'd definitely do a mid-muffler delete. These rims are garbage. Some more little rust spots. Car sold as is. I don't know how I feel about it, guys. I mean, I like the idea of a hoopty ride, but I feel like I'm past that. I know this car's durable and it's cheap. Just gotta try to decide if I want to humble myself or not. Like, do you hear that ticking sound? I don't know where that's coming from. It goes off and then it comes back on. It's kind of annoying. There's the HEMI 5.7. Engine bay doesn't look too bad. A little bit of discoloration right there. It's expected though. This is a $7,000 car. You can't expect too much from that. Got the yellow lights. Ew, halogen, ew. I didn't do a lot of interior shots, but let's do this real quick. These seats feel good though. I like these seats. Leather. Yeah, they feel good. Yeah, that feels weird. What is that grinding noise? I don't know what that is. I can see how this is a little bit fun. I just don't know, guys. I don't know if I can do it. And I feel like this car is gonna break. There's too much issues and rattling going on. For the price, I mean, you get in a hoopty basically. $7,000, you get in a hoopty. You can't even negotiate on this thing. The car is sold as is. You take it or you leave it. So the torque makes you feel it all. So that's what the V6s are missing. We ain't got no torque, man. We ain't got no torque. But yeah, this is still a fun car. I can tell. It's just, I feel like if I bought it in like a month, I would have some serious problems, and I have to leave expenses to prepare for those. I'm gonna try it in auto stick, first gear. Let's see how that feel. Yeah, auto stick is a lot funner. Yep, I feel the difference already. Some grinding is happening. I don't like the grinding noise. This would be a great first car for me if this was like 7 years ago, 8 years ago. I would have been all over this by then. But right now in my life, I feel like, I don't know, man. I know it's a temporary car, but this guy lasts me a year. I do feel kind of OG in this car. Like, I feel gangster driving the old Charger. Just has like a hood OG feeling. Like I can do a drive-by on somebody and pop, 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 and let them have it. But no, it's fun to drive. It will, by definition, fit the temp car for a hoopty. But for $7 grand, I don't know. The torque feels good though. One thing I can't deny, that's some good torque. But I gotta think about this, guys. All right, back in the Batmobile. Glad I got that little experience. The car's kind of raggedy though, man. It was still fun to drive, but it's just raggedy. It was making me understand what I want in my temporary car. If I'm too prideful to get something really old and just deal with all the quirks with it, or do I want something that has more stability in it? So it's helping me understand that, which is good. That's why you go on test drives. I feel like I stink too. That car stunk like some nasty old hookers in Las Vegas. Not that I know about that, just joking. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. Thanks for going on this journey with me. All right, on to the next one. Peace.